Hi, this is Lee from Nextbase. This is our 522GW packed with additional features. Let's find out what makes this an award winner. The 522GW features 1440p 2K resolution and even a polarizing filter to reduce glare and reflection. The 3-inch touchscreen makes setup so easy and is great for viewing back any of your footage. The My Nextbase Connect app allows you via a Wi-Fi signal to connect your phone directly to your camera on the go. Great for viewing and sharing your footage to the police, to your insurance company, or even to your friends. Nextbase Emergency SOS is our groundbreaking feature that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident and you are unresponsive, your phone will contact the emergency services with your exact location and even things like your blood type. The intelligent parking feature means that if you're away from your car and the camera detects a jolt to your vehicle, it will start recording the incident, making sure you miss absolutely nothing. Alexa built-in is an incredible feature that allows you to control your Dashcam with your voice, whether it's controlling your music, asking for directions, or controlling features of your Dashcam. And with the My Nextbase player free to download to your computer, you can view, edit, and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times every second, you'll be sure to have every single detail on your Dashcam. So let's take a look at this in the car. It was really important to us that we make getting your Dashcam in and out of your car as easy as possible. So our engineers created the click and go mount, and this is the only Dashcam you will find this feature on. As we can see, installation is remarkably simple. And with our patented click and go mount, you simply install like so. And when you're ready to remove it from the car, you take it off. The install cable is very easy to install around your roof lining and then simply connect to your in-car power. We always recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this particular model will support up to 128 gigabytes. The 522GW is compatible with all 3 of our rear view cameras. Our cabin camera that records everything within the vehicle itself. Secondly, it will support our rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to record everything happening outside the back of your vehicle. And finally, our rear window camera that adheres to your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your car. With our award-winning 522GW Dashcam, you can ensure that you and your family are kept safe and you have proof in the event of any incident.
When it comes to protecting your vehicle, you should never have to compromise. Introducing the BlackVue DR900X Plus series dashcams. With a new and improved 4K ultra-high resolution front camera, you'll capture the most critical details day and night. BlackVue's seamless pairing means that it's easier than ever before to connect to your dashcam without ever having to leave the BlackVue app. We understand that you are not always going to be with your vehicle. The DR900X Plus series makes it easy to stay connected by using the optional LTE connectivity module or by simply connecting to a mobile hotspot. Now you'll enjoy the benefits of the BlackVue Cloud, such as remote live view or impact notifications. And with built-in voltage monitoring, you can hardwire your BlackVue without having to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. The DR900X Plus series also features BlackVue's new mobile hotspot function, letting you turn your LTE-connected dashcam into a wireless hotspot to connect up to 5 devices while on the go. BlackVue DR900X Plus series, the ultimate 4K cloud dashcam. Find yours at BlackVue.com.
Even if our driving habits have changed over the past few years, we still rely on our vehicle multiple times throughout the week, if not daily. Whether you're stopping by the grocery store, commuting to the office, or headed out on a road trip, really, no matter the distance, should the unexpected happen, the combination of anxiety, fear, and adrenaline can make it difficult to keep everything straight. So there's comfort in knowing that you've got backup and one less thing to be worried about when you have a dash cam. Now today, I have the pleasure of introducing you to the newest and most advanced Garmin dashcam lineup to date. Get big protection from 4 new compact and durable dash cams. Easy to set up and even easier to mount, these cameras offer voice control and continually record once plugged into a vehicle's power source. Take your pick from the Garmin Dashcam 47, Dashcam 57, or Dashcam 67W, all with built-in GPS. Or choose the smaller, more discreet Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. When you think cameras, what do you want from them first and foremost? Clear, high-quality images or video. With all 4 of these dashcams, record enhanced HD video using Garmin Clarity HDR optics to capture clear details both day and night. Leave doubt behind with a wide 140-degree field of view, or go with an extra wide 180 degrees in the 67W to capture even more of the environment. With adjustable clarity settings providing up to 1080p resolution or even 1440p in some models, even a single frame can have the opportunity to say 1,000 words. No one expects anything to happen when they grab the keys and head out the door, but when it does, know that you've captured critical details by having one of these cameras mounted in your car. Should an incident be detected, your Garmin Dashcam will automatically save the video and optional audio from just before, during, and after it happens, directly to the pre-installed microSD card. As an added backup with no data size limit, your footage can be securely stored for 24 hours at no additional cost with new Vault storage. Access your online vault and share passcode protected links to clips with others directly from the Garmin Drive app downloaded to your compatible smartphone. Think you'll want longer than a day's worth of storage? Upgrade to 7 or even 30 days with a subscription to our extended storage plan options. Sometimes having a watchful eye on our car is just as important when we're away as it is when we're seated in the driver's seat. With Garmin Parking Guard, these dash cams monitor activity around your vehicle and automatically alert you with video clip notifications directly to the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone whenever it detects an incident. Or, better yet, why wait for an alert? Access a camera remotely from the Garmin Drive app using LiveVue. With either of these features, as long as the camera is connected to an available Wi-Fi signal and constant power, wherever you are, check in on your car almost anytime you want. There is a lot to pay attention to when we're driving, and we're only humans, so it's not hard to believe something could get overlooked from time to time. With driver alerts, you'll get assistance to help enhance your overall driver awareness. To help encourage safer driving, receive alerts like forward collision and lane departure warnings directly on the camera's 2-inch display. We've also got you covered with Go alerts when stopped traffic in front of you has started to move, as well as alerts for nearby red light and speed cameras. Put 24/7 convenience and peace of mind in your car, knowing someone's watching your back, or, well, front, with the all-new Garmin Dashcam series. To learn even more about the Dashcam 47, 57, 67W, and Dashcam Mini 2, head on over to Garmin.com. Otherwise, that's all I've got. This is Matt from Garmin, thanking you for stopping by and hoping that wherever the roads may take you, we've helped you beat yesterday.
Are my keys not right?
No.
light camera in 100 meters. Speed and red light camera in 400 meters.
Today, I'm excited to introduce our newest dash cam, the DRV-A301W. This dash cam records in full HD picture quality and includes integrated GPS and new wireless link technology, as well as a detachable magnetic mount system. Today, I simply want to show you what comes inside of the box so that you can get a better understanding of what this product has to offer. You'll first see that it includes a 13-foot power plug that you would plug into your 12-volt style socket in your vehicle. Now, you can power the dash cam this way, or you can use our optional hardwire kit, the CA-DR1030. Next, you'll see the 4-foot data transfer cable. This is a USB to micro USB cable. You would plug the micro USB into the top of the camera itself when transferring data to the computer. You'll also notice on the top of the dash cam is an optional AV output. Now, on the side of the dash cam is going to be the pre-installed micro SD card. It's a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. However, you can install up to a 256 gigabyte micro SD card. You'll notice on the front of the camera itself, there's a little tab with a rubber insert. This is where you will place the detachable magnetic mount system. And then on the back side of the dash cam is the screen itself and all of the buttons. One of the great features about this dash cam is it does have image reversal. So if you needed to mount this dashboard camera upside down, you could go into the settings and simply reverse the image. Next, you're going to see 4 plastic mounting tabs with 3M adhesive back tape. This is used to simply route your wiring. Easier wire management. Next, you're going to see 2 included mounts. First is going to be the fixed mount. The fixed mount includes 3M backed adhesive tape, as well as 2 additional 3M tapes. Then you'll see the suction cup mount. Next, you're going to see the detachable magnetic mount system. Now on this, you will see on the side is where you will plug the power cable into. Next, you'll take the detachable magnetic mount and simply locks right into place on the front of the dashboard camera. Anytime you wish to remove the dashboard camera, you can simply unsnap and you have the dashboard camera free. You'll also see that we include a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, as the KENWOOD DRV-A301W includes a 1-year warranty. Now, be sure to check out our other KENWOOD DRV-A301W video to learn more about what this dash cam has to offer. For example, being able to connect your Android or iOS device using the new KENWOOD Dashboard Cam Manager app, and then you can simply connect your phone to the dash camera right inside of your vehicle